Restoring sending privileges on your Wells Fargo account can be a straightforward process. Follow these steps to regain access to your sending capabilities. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Wells Fargo website and log into your online banking account using your username and password. Ensure you have access to your account before proceeding. Step 2. Navigate to Account Services. Once logged in, locate the Account Services tab on the main menu. Click on it to access various account management options. Step 3. Select Sending Privileges. In the Account Services section, look for the option related to sending privileges or transfer settings. Click on this option to view your current status and any restrictions. Step 4. Review Restrictions. Check for any alerts or notifications regarding your sending privileges. This may include limits on transactions or requirements for verification. Make note of any issues that need to be addressed. Step 5. Follow instructions to restore. Follow the on-screen instructions to restore your sending privileges. This may involve verifying your identity, updating your account information, or agreeing to new terms. Complete all required steps and confirm the changes. Once you've completed these steps, your sending privileges should be restored. If you encounter any issues, consider contacting Wells Fargo customer support for further assistance.